One and all to a picturesque evening here. A clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. And already we're underway here.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Bruno Fernandes. And here's Messi. Tries a shot!
Can't be expected to deliver anything better than that. This is heroic keeping.
He's got a side of goal! Lacking in accuracy.
It was more possible than probable, and the outcome backed it up, Peter.
That's a sharp pass. Well read, nice interception. And that has been clubbed away. Has a look and has a go. And no one is overly concerned about that.
Yeah, you can't blame him for trying, but that looked a little forced.
Dani Olmo. Forwards and with intent. Oh, important interception. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Well, Peter, the closest thing to goalkeeping perfection is this guy, Manuel Neuer. We all know about his abilities with the ball, but I want...
And the keeper's given it away. Got a shot away. He's got away with one there.
Certainly made himself a big nuisance in applying the pressure to force the error.
Pinches it off him. Now it's Dani Olmo. Mbappe! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Van Dijk gets it away. And now they can spring out of defence. Neuer. Now who's going to be first to this? Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe! And he's cleared it out of harm's way. Tries to dink it through. Upamecano kept his eye on it, and he's there. Well, there's the clearance. Looking here to chip it through. And that has earned a reprieve for the time being. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Moved on forwards. So still waiting for the first breakthrough here, but it has been a pretty open start.
I actually think both teams are playing okay here. We've had some good attempts, although they've mounted to nothing so far.
And he's gone backward here. Well, it looked promising, but the final ball is just not quite right. He's looking to set free a runner. Keeper's ball. Mbappe. Van Dijk gets over and intercepts. And it is clear to see that he is not at all happy with that.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Oh, easy pickings there. That's a nicely measured pass. Hernandez kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. It's a really well-measured ball. He's played him through. And now they can clear their lines. Barcelona looking to get their possession game going here.
Yeah, it can be very stylish and expansive to watch if they get it to the standard we know they can. But what's key is the number of ballers in the team. as long as they don't lose the purpose. If they keep the purpose and the urgency, all will be well. Barcelona couldn't really be more watertight in midfield. Not a trickle is getting through.
And the keeper takes decisive action. And he was quick to react. And they've got rid. Neuer. Dealt with nicely by the defence. Donnarumma comes out and deals with it. Just more than 15 minutes till half-time. Dani Olmo showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Upamecano getting this one clear. Dani Olmo. And he's managed to get rid, and he's been shifted off it.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks. That's just playing it safe and simple.
And they're quick to get it back. Mbappe.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Goretzka. And no, that was never going to make it. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Foden just eases him off the ball. Sané. He steps in, and that's the end of that. Van Dijk. And that's been won straight back. Looks to clip it forward. That's really well cleared. That has been slung wide. Back into the middle. Oh, he'll be annoyed with himself for not getting there. And he cuts out the supply. Guerrero. Fires from distance. That is a super hit, but it was always just off target.
Well, that was smashed with venom, violence even. All he had to do was hit the target. It's such a shame.
And it's Sané. Sané concedes a free kick for that. No, he's just misjudged that one. And they're not going to make any further progress now. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Guerrero. And he's intervened well there. Neuer. And he thumps it clear. Messi. Played back in. Mbappe! And kept out by the most elastic of saves.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
And he's there to clear it. Argentina have the chance to go the other way.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Upamecano makes the interception. That is ended up in no man's land. Neuer getting this one clear. And the referee brings the first half to a close. Well, there it is, half-time. Not a bad watch by any means. And the efforts of both sides have been good, but neither have been able to penetrate. And so
And
we
we
reach
come
the
to you
break,
now with
and
a
the
quick
game
request for
remains
support
goalless.
for our World Charity Fund.
So there was the first half.
Well, both sides have been full of effort, industry, endeavour, and the stats are screaming good things at us. So it's been a very good watch for the neutrals so far, and I'm really looking forward to what's to come in the second half. This could get unpredictable.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break, 0-0. So we're just settling back into this second half. So neither side has yet broken through. And he can clear it away. That's really well manoeuvred. Mbappe is offering some sort of an apology there.
He made it look a bit predictable.
Foden. Oh, that's fabulous.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Alexander-Arnold. Foden. And that is out of play. And once more he proves rigid and robust. Belts one. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Neuer can claim that. Oh, no joy this time. And he's there to belt it away. They're back in possession and ready to go again.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
And back to the keeper they go. And it's dealt with by the out-rushing keeper. And it's Goretzka. Good effort from distance. And the goalkeeper watches it past.
Argentina seem to have deployed this as a tactic that may need reconsideration.
Argentina choosing to make the first change. So a double change here, and both changes are offensive.
Well, it'll be interesting to see what system they'll be playing with now, Peter.
Played out to the right. Delicate ball, and it needs to be. Oh, nicely intercepted. Now that's well seen too. That could spell trouble. Mbappe! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
That's what all good teams do these days. Pressing from the front is highly effective.
Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Donnarumma clears.
And
that is as far as they're going to go.
71,550.
Now it's Foden. He is through here. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. Upamecano gets it away. Now it's Foden. Goretzka cuts out the pass. He has found the way through. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. Back into the middle. Oh, the shot could be on here. And he's straight offside. Over to the left. Chance to finish. Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Dani Olmo usually is so good from that range. He didn't quite connect as he can, though.
Has a look and place it forward. Now this could... And the shot! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
Oh, it was such a clever pass that flummoxed the defence, and it could well be revisited, this.
Dani Olmo. Coming on to replace him is number 20, Nico Williams.
Changes him with that pass. Jackson. Jackson! Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
Beautifully worked to take the defence out of the picture, but there'll be no rush to see the replay on this.
And here's Messi. Cristiano Ronaldo. Plenty of action at either end, just nothing to show for it.
Yes, and it's been far from uneventful.
Great chance! No mistake! The lightness of step, the sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Oh, that's wonderful to see. The run was explosive, the finish exquisite.
So the first goal of the game.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Nico Williams is in a really good position out wide. Well, they've got it back in a hurry. Oh, is it Mbappe? And a terrific save from the keeper.
Really anticipated that well, didn't he?
So, third corner of the game. Bruno Fernandes with the clearance. They get a throw in. Kimmich. Oh, played through for the wide man. Mbappe, that's been intercepted, and he's gone looking for safety. And that's another good win of the ball. Pass is just off target, thinks one through.
Argentina really are showing all the necessary urgency, but it's potency they need.
Neuer catches it safely. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. Foden. Well, that's beautifully weighted. Hernandez. The ball has bounced loose now. Caught offside that time.
Substitution for Barcelona, number 37.
Barcelona can make their change now with a break in play.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Mbappe! Oh, he's been caught on it here. Deftly away. Has a shot! Oh, and that should have been two.
Oh, and a real chance to pile on the pressure, and he'll be desperate to get another.
Speculative strike.
Substitution for Barcelona, number 10,
Corner number 4 coming up here.
Coming on to replace him is number 21, Soboslai.
Argentina are looking to go forward now. Williams. That's going to go a long way. Nicked it back promptly. Neuer is there to clear. Sané. Guerrero.
You can never be short of runners into space.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Great effort, but no way through. Van Dijk calmly anticipates. Van Dijk. Barcelona clearly now in lead preservation mode. Messi. Valverde. Well, that's an inviting ball. Great ball if he can get there. Soboslai! Sticks it away! And surely that does it! Perfect time! Decisive strike! That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to supply the finish, and he came up trumps.
And it didn't take him long. Just sitting on the bench and waiting moments ago, already he has scored.
I think the manager's claiming an assist here.
He's having a hit! Just off target.
Goretzka just can't be faulted for taking on the opportunity. That sort of distance is usually up his street.
He's gone for goal. Time added on 4 minutes. Well timed, excellent interception. That's a shade optimistic. So that's it. It is all over. A performance of perspiration, work rate, grit, and those are very good qualities that might have got them something on another day. Sadly, not today. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
And we
Well,
come to
Peter,
you now
I
with a
really
quick
couldn't
request
see
for
what this
support
team was
for
trying
our
to
charity
achieve,
fund.
whether it's the